Okay, so this is the day after I just did a dive. So I'm recharging the batteries up and got a bit of tidying up to do, a few jobs. We had a really good dive day yesterday. It was really excellent. There was just one slight problem. This motor, something went wrong with it. It didn't actually break down, but I could hear it making a strange noise, and the oil inside the tube now is very black indeed, which it shouldn't be. So I suspect that there's some issue in there. So reluctantly I'm going to take this apart. I really dislike taking these apart because they're so fiddly inside, especially for the modification that you have to make for them, but I've got no option. Other than that, I think everything worked as it should do. So I'm just charging up. Let's get on with fixing this motor. Right, let's have a look at it. So this is the vent. And I think I've also got some excess pressure, which isn't actually a bad thing, but see, look how black this oil is. It shouldn't be like this. Something's gone wrong. Should be an O-ring. Yep, there's an O-ring. There. Doesn't like it. O-ring. Okay, here we go. Let's take it off. See what the damage is. I suspect I know already. That's the best way to do this. Got to get the armature out first, which is here. Like this. There is the That all looks alright. That wasn't really what I was expecting. Doesn't actually seem to be anything wrong, which is annoying. What I was expecting to see is something like one of these little blue balance weights rubbing on part of here, or part of that cable or something, but there doesn't seem to be anything. Now this is why this is so damned awkward. Because you have to not only get these brushes, then you have to also get these cables on. Joking. Let's hope it's not the end of the world. Right, so what I have to do is I've got two pieces of welding wire which I have to sort of manhandle the bushes into place. Like that. And poke another one. Both at the same time, of course. Totally impossible. We have to lump it. There. Some more grease in there. Now. Right, let's have a look, see if they're any different. If this one's any different. See, it's that noise, it just doesn't sound right. It's worse there. I don't know. I mean, it seems alright. Ruby, what are you up to? You dug up half the beach.